7.1 phosphoric acid is an example of an acid that, you know what, let's just do 7.2. It's fine. Barium hydroxide dissolves in water according to the balance equation. A 100 centimeter cube solution is prepared by dissolving an unknown amount of BaOH2 at 25 degrees Celsius. 25 centimeter cube of the BaOH2 solution is reacted with 15 centimeter cube of a 0.2 mole per decimeter cube HCl solution in a flask, according to the balance equation. The final pH of the solution is 12.62 at 25 degrees Celsius. So first of all, let's conceptualize. Let's have a sketch of what is happening. So we have this 100 centimeter cube of an unknown amount of BaOH2, right? Of this 100 centimeter cube, we take 25 centimeter cube and then we react it with HCl. That is what these points are saying. And then the final pH of the solution is 12.62 at 25 degrees Celsius. That tells us something. That tells us that the base is in excess. So of that 25 centimeter cube, the base that is in there remains. So HCl is delimiting, the base is in excess. And then the base has some pH. We don't know the actual amount of the base, but we know that the pH is 12.62. This is the pH of the base that remains. Okay, so 7.2.1, calculate the final concentration of the hydroxide ions in the flask. So the question is saying, let's calculate how much OH minus we have at this point in the excess base. We are looking for the concentration of OH minus in the excess base. Okay, so 7.2.1, let us do that. So the pH is equals to 12.62. We know that the pH plus the pOH is equals to 14. So the pOH is equals to, so 14 minus 12.62, that is 1.38. But by formula, the pOH is minus log of OH minus, and then this is equals to 1.38. So the concentration of OH minus is 10 to the minus 1.38. So let me put that in my calculator. 10 to the minus 1.38. This is equals to 0.04. Okay, this is my final answer, so I can leave it here. 0.04. Let me just say 0.04 to 2 decimal places, 2 significant figures. That is mole per decimeter cube. That is the amount of hydroxide ions in the flask that are in excess. Okay, and then 7.2.2, we are looking for the number of moles of the base used to prepare the 100 centimeter cube solution. So let's come back here to our sketch where we are conceptualizing. So we know the number of moles, not the number of moles, but the concentration of OH minus that remains. So we have OH minus here. We have the concentration of OH minus. So with this concentration of OH minus, what we want to do is to calculate the number of OH minus that are in the flask at the end. Because if we calculate the number of OH minus that are in the flask at the end, we are then going to be able to calculate the number of moles of the base that are in excess, right? We're going to be able to calculate the number of moles of the base that are in excess. So that's what that information is going to allow us to do. But we know how much the 25 centimeter cube of base reacted. We know the amount of acid that reacted with the 25 centimeter cube of the base. It is 15 centimeter cube of a 0.2 mole per decimeter cube concentration. So we can calculate the number of moles of base that are in excess, right? And then using the acid, we can calculate the number of moles of base that reacted. So we would be in a position where we have the number of moles of base in excess, the number of moles of base that reacted. so we can find the initial. Let's go. So we ended up saying that the concentration of OH minus is equals to 0.042 moles per decimeter cube, obviously. We can then calculate the number of moles of this OH minus. The number of moles of OH minus is equals to C multiplied by V. The concentration is 0.042, and exactly at this step we are losing some people. The volume is 25 plus 15 because the volumes are additive, right? This is times 10 to the minus 3. I have to convert it to decimeter cube. Yeah, the volume of the acid plus the volume of the base will be the total volume at the end of the reaction. So 0.042 multiplied by 40 essentially, multiplied by times 10 to the minus 3 to convert it to decimeter cube. This is equals to 0.00168 moles. Those are the number of moles of OH minus. But we know that BaOH2 is just Ba to the 2 plus, I would like to believe, plus 2OH minus. So if the number of moles of OH minus is 0.00168, then those of the base should be half that. Those of the base should be half that because of the balancing coefficient. We have a 1:2 relationship. So if we have 0.00168 then the number of moles of the base is 0.00084. These are the number of moles of the base that are in excess. Those are the number of moles of base that are in excess. Now let's find the number of moles of the base that reacted. We're going to use HCl, by the way. So N is equals to C multiplied by V. We're calculating the number of moles of HCl here, which will be 15. No, that is the volume. The concentration is 0.2. The volume is 15 over 1000. So when I put that in my calculator, this is 0.003. 0.003. So now looking at this reaction, the balancing coefficient is a 1:2 relationship. So if the number of moles of acid are 0.003, then those of the base will be 0.0015. So these are the number of moles of the base that reacted, right? So the number of moles of the base initially, therefore, will be equal to those that reacted plus those that are in excess. So 0.0015 plus 0.00084. Another 0.84. Right, so that will be equal to, let me just put that in my calculator, 0.00084. There we go. Number of moles of base 0.000234 moles. Right, so these are the number of moles of base in 25 centimeter cube. There's still one more step that we need to do. So these are the number of moles in 25 centimeter cube. We need to find the number of moles of base in 100 centimeter cube. So how many 25 centimeter cubes do we have in 100? We have 4. But we can just say 0.00234 multiplied by 100 over 25. Right, using 25 here just in case you find yourself in a scenario where you have 37.163, you can just multiply the total volume which you have started with divided by that which was used, so that you can find the number of moles in total. So let's see, 0.00234 multiplied by 4. So the number of moles of base in 100 centimeter cube is 0.0094 moles. There we go.